Hey, it's Adam. I'm here in Brady's Run Park in Beaver County, Pennsylvania for the Rabid Raccoon 100-mile race. This race is put on by Wolf Creek Race Management, and there's a new venue this year. I'm not running, but I'm here to check out some of the sights and sounds of the race. So let's go. I'm here at the ice rink right now where runners are getting ready to race. Besides the 100-mile race, there's lots of other distances to choose from, including the 100K, which I was here to see the start of this morning, and then the half marathon, which is what these runners are getting ready for now. There was a 5K last night, and there is another half marathon tonight at midnight. The aid station behind me is one of two aid stations on the course. Runners actually come through this one twice. So if you want to count the finish line as well, runners get 4 aid stations to go through on every loop. The 100-mile course is 8 loops, the 100K course is 5 loops, and of course the half marathon is 1. Like I said earlier, the course is a loop, and what's great about the start-finish line area here and the aid stations is that they are in and out. You're in one side of the building, out the other, so it's a great place for crews to wait for their runners and a nice place to take a break inside.
Way to go, Nicholas. That was easy, everybody.
Wow, I'll tell you what, you need to get here and make the Rabid Raccoon your next race. The swag that each runner got, a free beer, a free coffee, a free loaf of Jenny's Swirl Bread, and a can of Liquid Death, along with a medal, which they look awesome, and a t-shirt, and even more stuff for the longer distances. The awards are awesome, and the course is not bad. That typical PA up and down vert with a little bit of mud. It is March, and even a stream crossing, so something for everybody. I had a blast out here. Man, I really want to run this race, so hopefully you'll see me here next year. There's still people finishing up, and there'll be people finishing all day. They're still out there on their loops.
All right. In the house.
I'm Adam Stillwagon. I'm still going far. Please subscribe.